This is
Welcome
officially
back. We're
our
going
very
to do our
first
second
video
batch.
that we did together, and I had a blast
Tablespoon of
doing it
honey.
with my daughter.
There's our mold. Cute little dog treats. Literally $2.95 at Walmart. My daughter loves to make these treats for our dogs. They got a lot of fruit in that one. And peanuts. They got grounded up peanuts too, with cashews and a couple other things. Basically an assortment of peanuts. I wouldn't put every little bit.
It's stuck in it nuts anyways.
Clean as you go. Always remember that, guys. Clean as you go.
Yeah, in a real household you don't.
I clean as I go. Add a little bit of water to help mix everything.
Measure with your heart.
Measure with your eyeballs or your heart, as my daughter says. Skyla Ann. Mix very well. Alright, now we are going to take a little bit at a time out, and we are going to easily push it in the molds.
Use your fingers.
Exactly, use your fingers, do not be shy. Most of the time it does not stick to your fingers. Every now and then it might stick.
That's a peanut. I was like, what?
Yes, see, there's peanuts in it. Oh, our dogs are going to go crazy. Doodlebot, where you at, bud? See if I can get him to come in here and say hello. Doodlebot! Oh, he ain't wanting to come out today. And then your treats should look like this.
It's going to be clean afterwards.
After you fill it, you're going to put it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. They should freeze fairly quickly. Pop them out. You're going to have this when you come out. And these are how they look when they are completed. Cute little treats. Completely frozen. And they absolutely go crazy for these treats.